The second part of the video will cover the hypothesis and the method section. My hypothesis is if the person is African American, male, and younger to middle age, then they're more likely to have injury occur in their encounter with police. The hypothesis was chosen particularly because of the people's characteristics that were portrayed in the media and news. The target population is law enforcement agencies from Seattle, Washington. The sample is individual incidents about use of force, recruitment of sample. A survey questionnaire was given to multiple law enforcement agencies such as municipal, county, and sheriff's department. The sampling method was convenient sampling. The researchers directly contacted each law enforcement agency from Seattle, Washington to have them answer questionnaires about incidents about use of force. The research was non-experimental, quantitative. The data was analyzed through responses to the law enforcement questionnaire about the individual incidents reports for demographic variables. The total population is 676 incidents. The suspect race, 48.1% were white, 51.8% were not white. Suspect sex, 12.4% were female suspects, 87.6% were male suspects. Suspect age, it ranged from 10 to 75 years old, the average being middle age. The mode most frequently occurring was 17 years old. The dependent variable is suspect injury. It was operationalized through a survey question. Was the suspect injured? The answer choices were injured or not injured. The independent variables were suspect race, suspect age, and suspect sex. They are operationalized through a survey question. What was the suspect's race? The answer choices were white or non-white. What was the age of the suspect? The answer choices were not clear. It ranged from youth to adult. What was the sex of the suspect? The answer choices were female suspect or male suspect. The officer's race. 80% of the officers were white. 20% were non-white. Officer sex. 83.4% were male, while 16.6% were female. Suspect injury. 36.4% were not injured, while 63.6% were injured. Suspect resistance. 28.6% verbally resistant, while 71.4% either resisted through physical force or use of a weapon or threatened use of a